tutorial, I will demonstrate how to find peer-reviewed academic journal articles in the library's databases and how to search with the peer-reviewed filter. The first step is to navigate to the library's website, which is my.limestone.edu. On this page, in the middle, you will see the library's OneSearch feature. It is possible to get access to peer-reviewed journals via various databases, but the most direct way is to access them through OneSearch. To search, begin by searching a keyword or a phrase in the OneSearch platform. Log in when you're prompted to do so with your Limestone College credentials. Now, from this set of results, notice that it says everything, and that is the default search option. So right now, I'm looking through all the different kinds of resources that the library owns. Fortunately, peer-reviewed articles are very easy to find under the availability limiter over on the left side of the screen. To limit your search down to peer-reviewed journals, simply click that peer-reviewed journals filter. Now, all the results that you're seeing are peer-reviewed. Notice the peer-reviewed icon below each article. There are two further things that I would like to demonstrate to you about searching through peer-reviewed articles. The first is that notice that I've simply typed in one word at the top of the screen. If I were to do more active research, I would want to add some extra keywords to this search in order to narrow down my set of results. In order to keep the peer-reviewed journal filter active, I do on the left side of the screen need to say remember all filters. Otherwise, each time I press the green search arrow here with new keywords, I would have to go and press the peer-reviewed journals filter again. So don't forget to do that. One other point that I would like to make is under Refine My Results, there is a little box that says Expand My Results. So by default, the articles that you see in the system are those that you should be able to access online. So notice here where it says View Online. This particular article has 3 different options. Some will have 1, some will have more than 3. Click on the top database, is usually fine, and that will take you to the text of the article. However, this system can show you articles that the library does not have direct access to, but that we can get via interlibrary request. And notice that the interlibrary loan request form is located at the top of the OneSearch platform search page. To view all of the articles that are peer-reviewed and based on your keywords, select under Refine My Results, Expand My Results, as I've just done. And notice that some of the articles in the system say no online access. So that when you click on these articles, you will not be able to link to a database directly, but you can fill out that interlibrary loan request and receive access to the journal that way. Interlibrary loan requests normally take 24 to 72 hours. That concludes this brief tutorial about how to locate peer-reviewed journals and also how to use your active filters and expand My Results features under the limiters on the left side of the search page.